Yo, so what's up, guys? It's the one and only Terry D, the motivational speaker, and today I want to break down what happened with EURUSD today, what happened with GBPUSD today, and what happened with gold. So first, since we have EURUSD up already, let me explain to you, okay? So last night, guys, I actually called this trade in my group. Okay, give me 1 second. Let me share with you guys where I said this. Okay, so let me go to my Discord group. Bam. As you guys can tell, this right here is my group. Obviously, it has a lot of different information. We got the welcome section, the group chat, the free resources, motivation, etc. Then we got all the currency pairs breakdown, and everybody wants this. We also have a signal group, but let's scroll up so I can show you guys where I said this to my team. Okay, so actually, let's go to the signal group first. Okay, so in the signal group, I actually, where was it at? Right here. At 8 o'clock last night, I said at this the stop loss of my take profit. In the beginning, guys, it was really slow on EURUSD. But this morning, I woke up with 21 pips, okay? This is what I woke up in. And I try to express to my team how important patience is, okay? Obviously, when everybody sees negative in the trade, they freak out. Like, no, guys. Believe in your trade. Believe in the process, okay? Everything is a process, so believe in it. So let's go back to the currency. Okay, give me 1 second. Flip back over. So what I seen last night, okay? I was here on the H4. Okay, I actually watched the M15 first. Let me scroll over the lets me, okay? I actually seen the M15 first. And actually, let me see. I think it was right about here. I said, guys, EURUSD looked like it's about to push up. So I seen this, right? And then it was stagnant right here. Then I said, man, this is about to jump. But I also did what? See that red line right there? It's my 20 exponential moving average. So then I came back to the H4 and said, what has H4 been doing? Okay. So on the H4, since about yesterday, let's see. Actually, it's about a day and a half. It's been respecting the 20 moving average. Now, if you guys have not watched the 20 moving average video, please go watch it, okay? And before I continue to talk, be sure to subscribe, like, and comment in the comment section. I will have this group in the comment section as well, so you can join it. It is a 5-day free trial, and I have it going for $50 a month or $200 for the year. Now, anyways, back to the video. So on EURUSD H4, what I did was I seen that this candlestick was forming on top of the 20 exponential moving average. Guys, if you let me zoom out right quick. If you come back to, when was this? Last week, you've seen this happen. Okay? You see how it's above the 20, and then it tries to come back down, and then it actually shot back down. So right here, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I thought we had a trend reversal on our hand because, as you guys can tell, it kept shooting down, and then the 20 and the 50 crossed. I was like, man, I done messed up, okay? So I'm saying on that to say, yesterday, I actually caught this W here, okay? I actually caught this W, and I also caught this in my group as well. But today, I said, man, it looked like it's retesting, but it's starting to show up. So 8 o'clock last night, I said, guys, we're going to wake up, and this trade's going to be in profit, okay? I had a lot of people reaching out to me saying, Terry, good call. Let me actually show you guys that. So you guys know I'm not just saying this, okay? Hold on. Let me see. Where did they? I think it was Euro. Okay. As you guys can tell, we do a lot of chatter here. There goes. Good call, Terry D. Made about $10 on EURUSD. Okay. Listen, money is money. Profit is profit. Period. And I actually want to show something else right quick, guys. So do you guys see how in my other Telegram group that I don't have up right now, everybody was saying to sell on EURUSD, okay? Now, mind you, we are actually, I'm skipping a little bit, okay? So we're actually in, today around 6 or 7 o'clock, everybody's thinking EURUSD is about to go down. EURUSD is about to go down. I was like, no. Guys, okay? Let me make this bigger for you. Oh, so this is on my cell phone. On my cell phone, do you see this white line right here? Okay. It's been respecting it. Okay. So that's why I was like, I still think it's gonna go up. Because last night in my signal call, I seen it respecting the 20 exponential moving average, and that W is not finished forming. Okay. So let me scroll down a little bit more, and I'm pretty sure I gave an example somewhere. Guess I didn't post it in here. But anyways, what I seen was, guys, okay? What I seen that the EURUSD was respecting the exponential 20 moving average. That's what I seen, okay? I literally said, okay, so last night this happened. It's starting to retrace, so everybody was thinking, oh man, it's about to go into sell, it's about to go into sell. I was saying, no guys, please don't place that sell just yet. Please don't sell it. Please don't place that sell just yet, okay? I had this drawn out, ready to go, okay? And what did it do? Shot up, okay? Shot up. Now, at, I'll say potentially 10, 11 o'clock, it actually started to shoot back down. But as you guys can tell, do you see this wick here? This wick literally is touching the 20 moving average, okay? It's trying to push back down. But you see when the wick touched it, it looked like it's trying to do what? It's trying to go back up, okay? So that's what I've seen on this trade. I'm literally just using my 20 exponential moving average, okay? So this W started, was it yesterday, right? Then I placed a trade on that. Then it was stagnant here. Then I start to see it to come back up. And you see this right here, guys? This would be considered, I guess, a hammer, right? And then it pushed up, okay? And then about 10 o'clock or so, it eventually did retrace back down. But if you would have placed a sell on this during New York session, which is 8 o'clock, you would have lost a lot of money, okay? No one's seen this retrace coming at New York session because New York session time, guys, this was shooting up, all right? So all I've seen was it's respecting the 20 MA. Right now, it's still respecting the 20 MA. And that's why I say, if you haven't watched the 20 MA video, please go watch it. Now, have to move on. GBPUSD. And I probably need to correct myself because I'm pretty sure guys was talking about GBPUSD actually placing the sell. And I was like, no, man, it's not time yet, okay? It's not time, right? And so this is what happened. It actually happened on M15. So follow my mouse, guys. See, so it's coming up, right? I'm saying, man, since right about here, I would say it's been respecting the 20. So it looked like it was trying to come down. And then it touched the 20 MA and it shot back up, okay? Then it looked like it tried to come back down, touched the 20 MA, and then what did it do? Came back up. Guys, that's all I seen. All I did was see it touch the 20 MA and it continued to shoot up. And then what do you know? Right about, like I said, 10, 11 o'clock, it finally decides to shoot down. But if we would have placed a sell right in this session, guys, let's see, we would have lost about 42 pips. Okay, you would have been 42 pips in negative. Guys, what the market likes to do, the market knows that everybody's looking for a sell, okay? The market knows that everybody's thinking that EURUSD or GBPUSD is going to continue to shoot up and then finally shoot down because it's been trying to break the 20 exponential moving average all day, okay? So all I did was say, no, guys, it's not time yet. It's not time. You actually need to see the candlesticks go beneath the 20 moving average. And this is what happened right here. After it did this high right here, this would be a high of the day right here, okay? And then once it did that, it said, okay, now it's time to come down. Because I'm pretty sure, guys, if you placed a sell down here, you lost some money. Or if you placed a sell right here, you lost some money, okay? And looking at it from this standpoint, it actually looks like an ugly form W. Let me look at my line chart. There it goes. There it goes, guys. I didn't even see this myself because I was out and about and doing meetings. But looking at my line chart, GBPUSD made a W, okay? So after it made this W, it did what? Came down. Rule of thumb, typically once a W forms and the market shoots up, it comes down, okay? Keep that in mind as a side note. So it shot down, okay? And obviously at this point, traders are confused. They don't know what to do because GBPUSD has been shooting up since, you know, what time? I'm guesstimating it's GBPUSD been shooting up since about 5 o'clock in the morning, right? Or 4 o'clock in the morning, probably right around London session, it started to shoot up. So people was confused. I personally noticed, because I've been trading, guys, almost a year now. I have noticed and learned that when the market is respecting the 20 MA, do not trade against it until you see the candlesticks form underneath. Okay, that's one thing I've learned. It might try to, it tried to do it here, right? Or sorry, it tried to do it here. And then what did it do? Next candlestick, it pushed back up. Okay, and it looked like it tried to do it here. Then what did it do? It shot back up, guys. Every time it tried to shoot, it shot back up. Every time it touched it. Okay, in my example, I say it's like running on a at a track meet. When you're running, okay, you're hugging that curve, you're hugging that curve, you're hugging that curve. And once your feet touch the line, you're disqualified. And that's what GBPUSD did today till about 10 or 11 o'clock. It said, okay, now I'm going to shoot down from the exponential 20 moving average. And then I'm going to look like I'm going to try to come back up. And then it tried to touch it, but it wicked out and then continued down. That's what it did. Now, to ask my educated opinion on what it's going to do now, guys, right now, since GBPUSD and EURUSD both are in a strong uptrend, I think right now it's just retracing. And on Friday, we could potentially see it shoot back up. But since the 20 moving average has crossed the 50, it maybe could continue down. And then we might have another spike to go back up. But it's probably going to finish Friday in a bearish trend. Okay? Now, last but not least, let's go to gold. And hopefully you guys understand what I said. If you guys need me to explain it more, just reach out to me in a comment section or whatever you need to do. Now, let's go to that good old GOLD. Gold. Now, gold has been a little bit tricky. Not gonna lie. I'm actually gonna have to move these lines right quick for you guys can kind of see. Okay. Let me move these lines for you guys can see. Okay. So gold, literally, guys, I mean, I think last week gold was in a strong uptrend. Okay, let me show you something. I'm gonna say this again. If you haven't watched my 20 moving average video yet, go watch it. Okay, so last week it was in a strong uptrend. Actually, I think it was more than last week. It's been in a strong uptrend for quite some time. Guys, notice how gold is literally touching the 20 moving average, and every time it touched it, guys, it shot up. Okay, every time it touched it, it shot up until this point, until this week. Looks like we might have a trend reversal on our hands. But if you're looking at it from this standpoint, it looks like it's trying to shoot back above 20 moving average. This is what I'm saying. The 20 exponential moving average is so powerful and so strong, guys. I cannot listen. If it's anything else you heard from traders, you know, an M or a W, double top, double bottom, head and shoulders, bearish, whatever, guys, learn the power of the 20 exponential moving average. The market respects it like nobody's business. I can't stress it enough. Okay, so what happened here? You guys remember what I said about GU? Okay, GBPUSD. Once it shoots underneath the 20 moving average, you're looking for a sell. And look, this is confirmation all day. And even if you would have waited till it really shot underneath, guys, look at the 20 moving average. Once this 20 moving average crossed the 50 there, once it crossed the 50, you knew, game over. Okay, see that spread? When you see that spread like that, that's go time. I said, okay, look like we're going in a bearish trend. Look like we're going down, and who knows how long, okay? But let me tell you what happened. Let me zoom out a little bit. So this blue line right here is my 200 moving average. So what it did was it touched the 20 moving average. And this is my simple moving average, okay? These two are my exponential. So it touched my 200 simple moving average. And then what did it do? It bounced off of it and started to do what? Start to go up. And I even said this in my group as well. Gold is probably going to spike. Okay, let me go back to my group, guys, so you guys know I'm not just talking. Okay, let me show you when I called it. And just to let you guys know, I'm not doing this to brag or boast, but I just want you guys to understand the power of the 20 moving average, or just the power of moving averages in general, guys. And whenever you see a candlestick bouncing off a moving average persistently like that, pay attention to it, okay? But let's see. I said actually good idea because gold has no filter. Man, it was a lot. What did I say? I said, okay, here, 7 o'clock in the morning. Someone said, they posted this and said that they made some money on gold. Okay, I said, yep, it might shoot back up again. It owes us, right? Because gold looked like it was going to shoot up yesterday, and it did. But then I posted. This person says they got caught in the pullback. A little bit, I'll tell you guys something about the pullback when you're trading in these markets. You need to be careful because what happens is with gold or SPX 500 or US 30 or NAS 100, it will pull back and blow your account and then do exactly what you say. Because, God, trading these kind of pairs, it's a different beast. The pips are kind of different. But anyways, so obviously I'm saying, look at this spike, right? And I actually talk about stop losses. If you guys didn't know, the bank sees your stop loss and they'll literally wicks you out and do exactly what you thought, guys. But anyways, then obviously I said it spiked up again. But my point is, guys, I seen this coming and I just didn't know how to react. I'm gonna be honest with you. I didn't get to trade gold today. I was too busy worrying about these two over here, okay? I was trying to direct my team in the right direction. And then looking at your USD right now, you see it, guys? It touched that 20 moving average. And now that wick said, okay, it's time to go back up. So anyways, let's go back to gold. So hopefully this wasn't too overwhelming or too much, but I just wanted to make sure that you guys understand the power of the 20 exponential moving average. Okay, go check out my last video that talked about the 20 moving average, guys. I talk about this a lot. I also talk about the M's and W's. I talk about the RSI, the power of the RSI. I think I need to talk about the TDI once. But one of my main sources, guys, is the moving average, okay? Even if it shoots beneath the moving average, guys. So rule of thumb, whenever the candlestick blows past the moving average, looking for sales. And then when the candlestick blows on top of the moving average, or if it's on top of the moving average, it's looking for a buy, okay? So you see how it shot beneath the 20? What happened? Started dropping. Now it's trying to come back up because it touched the 200 moving average, and now it's trying to shoot back on top of the 20 moving average. So what can we see tomorrow? Upward trend. But anyways, that's all I have for you guys. Hopefully this wasn't too confusing. Hoping you guys got my point. I just wanted to break down what happened today. The 20 moving average strikes again, okay? And yeah, other than that, If you like this video, please hit a thumbs up. Like I said, subscribe to my channel. I will be posting more informative videos like this. But like I always say, this is the one and only Terry D. And remember to put God first and everything else will work itself out. Peace.